As I said right on top of the news hour tonight, it's not about what's happening at the Aligarh Muslim University. It's about an attempt to create an artificial communal crisis. An artificial communal crisis. With us on the debate this evening, Prakash Sharma is joining us from Delhi. He's former convener of the Bajrang Dal. Prem Shukla, executive editor of Dopaher Ka Samna, Shiv Sena Point of View. BJP represented by Sambit Patra. Charat Pratap Singh is the great grandson of Raja Mahendra Pratap Singh. Kamal Farooqi is a political analyst. Maulana Maqsoodullah Hasan Kazmi, chairman of the Imam Council of India. Vivek Bansal of the Congress. Sudhindra Bhadoria of the BJP and Syed Asim Wakar of the BJP. Big panel, big time, big debate on the news hour tonight. So, let me start with you, Mr. Charat Pratap Singh. Mr. Singh, are you surprised that there's so much politics going on about how to celebrate your great-grandfather's birthday?
I say namaskar to everyone and especially to you. I'm a big fan of yours, and I'm really surprised because this is the first time this issue has been raised. Every year we celebrate his birthday quietly and silently and with with a few good wishes. But first time it has made such a media hype and people are talking about it.
So what would you ask the BJP, Charat? What would you ask the BJP on this? Because the BJP spokesperson is with us tonight. What would you ask him? Sambit, hear him.
I just want to add something about BJP. BJP has raised an important issue that the freedom fighters of India's history have not some people have not recognized these important people. That's an important issue, and I go with them. But also I want to add why not have a celebration in the right place? We have many other places like Tasveer Mahal in Aligarh. We have Vrindavan where his samadhi is. Have it in a place where there is no controversy. And so goes for AMU also. I just read that they're trying to resolve the issues, BJP and AMU, and now they're saying they will celebrate it in a certain spot. They themselves should be also looking at a place which again does not fare up any controversy. That's my point.
So there you are. You're completely exposed right on top of news hour tonight, Sambit, the great grandson of Raja Mahendra Pratap Singh, whose point of view you claim you espouse, is himself asking you, why are you A, trying to create a controversy, B, why are you trying to do it inside the Aligarh Muslim University campus? Clearly your attempt is somehow communalize the situation. I mean, you're now looking really desperate. I mean, you as in your party leaders, Sambit, are looking really desperate. Why are you desperate to create a communal crisis? Is this what the country needs?
Yeah, Arnab, in a very different angle I would like to discuss on this whole issue. I ridiculously feel as to why should we think that the secular fabric of this country is so weak? Is it so weak that a simple celebration of a birthday will hold it ransom, will destroy the secular fabric of this country? We can have a birthday. If the local MP wishes that a birthday should be celebrated of a freedom fighter.
Why didn't he celebrate it last year, the year before that, the year before that, the year before that? Why did he wake up now 38 years old? Why is he celebrating the birthday now? Who's being an opportunist? Counter question from Vivek Bansal. Vivek Bansal, counter question kar rahe Vivek Bansal.
I would, excuse me. Hello, just a minute. I would like to ask Samved. I would like to ask Samved. I had been MLA from there. I am an old boy of Aligarh Muslim University. BJP, as Arnav asked, how many times prior to this they have celebrated or they have remembered or they have installed a single statue of Raja Mahendra Pratap?
Not once.
No. Just a minute. Just a minute. Let me complete.
Tell me.
When you were saying,
you tell me. You tell me
when
first.
you were saying,
maybe he never remembered him. Maybe he was never remembered by anyone.
If
today someone is remembering him, if someone is celebrating his birthday, how does the celebration of the birthday destroy the secular fabric of Aligarh Muslim University or the country? Please reply. Why are you so agitated? Why are you so agitated for a birthday celebration?
Why don't you let him speak? For God's sake, Sambit.
Just don't put wrong words into my mouth. What I am saying is definitely definitely.
No,
we
no,
all
your
revere-
body
we
language
all-
is saying that you are
Arre,
agitated, sir.
No.
Sir, your body language is saying that, not your words. You are agitated. Why are you agitated?
We all revere Raja Mahendra Pratap. We all had been celebrating his birthday.
exactly, that's the point.
Sambit, let him speak.
Let
Sambit.
me speak.
His birthday
Would you
is
please shut
celebrated.
up?
What's the problem?
Would you please let me say something? I'm talking about something. I didn't interrupt you
No,
when you
no,
were
no.
talking.
The
No. This is not the way. This is not the way.
Sambit, will you let him?
I'm an old man of this university.
Sambit, let him speak, yeah. Sambit, 1 minute, let him speak, yeah,
I
please.
know the social fabric. I
Let him
know
speak.
how tenuous the
बोलने
social
दीजिए.
fabric over there
You
is.
do not
And
know
by
अरे बोलने
hosting-
दीजिए Sambit का 1 second.
you
No,
cannot-
I'm going to stop the debate like this. 1 second, please. 1 minute, please. 1 second. So I'm saying, I'm making an appeal.
Learn the lesson.
And my appeal is to Sambit Patra that Sambit, see, he heard you, you hear him, please, now if you speak over him, what happens, people can't hear him, and if he speaks over you, people can't hear you. Do you want that to happen on Newsa, that each of you speak over each other? So I'm butting in and saying, please let him complete, and you can interrupt him after that. I'm making what you do, panelists can raise their hands, I will come to you, let the person make his point. For God's sake, Sambit Patra, you woke up to the celebration 38 years after the man died, 128 years after he was born. You think we will not ask questions? Okay, now let him complete his point. Quickly, sir. Mr. Bansal, make your point.
What I have to say is, for over these years, Raja Mahendra Pratap was not remembered. And at the point of gun, you have to say that, to tell the university people, they have their own mechanism, that we are going to celebrate it over there at the point of gun. There may be so many people who have donated the land over there. That is again a point of debate, but that doesn't justify. We congressmen, I had been MLA from there. I had been celebrating there. What to talk of? Now you are erecting a statue of 157 feet statue. Did you install a statue over there in Aligarh?
Why are you doing this?
Were you
Sharat Pratap Singh,
please, yaar, see Arnab, what he is doing. Again, he is
Sambit, 1 minute. I request you, there are 5 panelists who haven't spoken, for God's sake. 5 panelists have not spoken, and I have a bad throat. Listen to me, my friends. 1 second.
It goes against the personality.
Okay,
of
so
Raja
1
Mahendra
second.
Pratap,
Counters coming in.
Who was an old boy of Aligarh Muslim University, who fought for the social fabric, who fought for communal harmony, and people who are remembering on
That's what we are saying. If he is a good man, he is a respected man, this
disturb
should be
10 minutes into the debate, I am now asking Kamal Farooqui, Prem Shukla, I want others to come to the debate.
Please.
Ladies and gentlemen, on the Newsa debate tonight, the issue is, 1 second, 1 minute,
is
just
going to condone this act of yours. If it comes to his notice, he's going to haul you up. Let me tell you.
now 1 minute. Now I want, the Prime Minister of India said that there should be a moratorium on communal violence for a decade, and some people had asked at that point of time, 1 second please, why should there be a moratorium for 1 decade? There should be a moratorium forever. But whatever it is, I'm saying tonight, what is happening, an attempt to polarize on the Aligarh Muslim University campus, is not helping reduce communal conflagrations. This is exactly what this country does not need, and I'm asking why we need it. Who does this help? If there is a communal conflagration, who will benefit and who will lose? The politicians will benefit, the people will lose. Kamal Farooqui, come into the debate. Prem Shukla after that. Kamal Farooqui ji, please. Kamal Farooqui.
Yeah, first of all, I salute Raja Mahendra Pratap Singh. In fact, he has done a great job. He's a great son of India. We are all proud of him. He was a freedom fighter, and he was in fact a role model for the secular India. He loved both Hindus and Muslims, and I am very sorry that BJP now totally exposed on this issue, but they are trying to politicize each and everything, which will criminalize the whole thing. Number one, that when Aligarh Muslim University Vice Chancellor had already agreed that the place wherein the land was given to him, the whole celebration could be held over there. But they wanted to have a conflict, and they are spreading the carnage. Some of the MPs are saying that the entire university was built upon Maharana Raja Sahab. And unfortunately, this is absolutely untrue. Absolutely untrue. They are talking lies on the face of the whole thing.
No.
In fact, they should feel ashamed of themselves
Or no, I
that they are
don't-
trying to they are trying to criminalize the whole thing. This is very, very unfortunate.
Today.
Very unfortunate.
No, 1 second. Prem Shukla is responding to you. 1 second. Prem Shukla, one at a time. Prem
कमाल
Shukla.
भाई बड़ी कमाल की बात कर दी, बड़ी कमाल की बात की आपने।
From a Prem Shukla.
बहुत कमाल की बात की कमाल भाई आपने कि एक आप अलीगढ़ मुस्लिम यूनिवर्सिटी जो इस देश के सेकुलर संवैधानिक ढांचे के तहत चलती है, उसमें एक सेकुलर व्यक्तित्व महेंद्र प्रताप सिंह सेकुलर व्यक्तित्व हैं। देवबंद शरीफ में उनकी मान्यता रही, अलीगढ़ मुस्लिम यूनिवर्सिटी में उनका योगदान रहा। बड़े सेकुलर व्यक्ति जिन्होंने अटल बिहारी वाजपेयी जी को कई बार पराजित किया, जिनको आप कम्युनल कह रहे हैं, और वो सेकुलर कॉन्स्टिट्यूशन के अंतर्गत चुनी हुई सरकार जिस सत्ता पक्ष की है, जिसको आप कम्युनल कहते हैं, अगर एक सेकुलर व्यक्ति का अगर वहां सेलिब्रेट करना चाहते हैं तो आप सारे मिलकर स्वागत
अब
करते
तक कहाँ थे?
आपने अरे आज ही शुरू कर
अब
दिया।
तक कहाँ थे?
अरे आज ही उन्होंने
अब
शुरू
तक
कर
कहाँ
दिया।
थे? नहीं, मैं पूछ रहा हूँ, अब तक कहाँ थे? मैं पूछ रहा हूँ, मेरा सवाल है 1 सेकेंड, मेरा सवाल है, एक, अब तक कहाँ थे? दूसरी बात, सबको सेलिब्रेट कीजिए। देयर आर 971 डोनर्स टू दैट यूनिवर्सिटी। नाउ 1 सेकेंड,
सिर्फ डोनर्स के नाम पे नहीं है, वो एक वहां के व्यक्तित्व रहे हैं,
So,
वहां के सांसद
व्यक्तित्व रहे हैं जो
उनका सर सैयद अहमद खान से वो रिश्ता रहा है।
Please remember-
तो वहां बहुत सेकुलर व्यक्तित्व
Okay,
रहे हैं।
okay, so-
एक सेकुलर व्यक्ति का सेकुलर यूनिवर्सिटी
So, what about Zaid-
अगर कोई जिसको आप कम्युनल कह रहे
what
हैं,
about-
वो अगर मना रहे तो उसमें आपत्ति क्या है?
What about
इसमें सांप्रदायिकता किसे
सुन लीजिए ना, what about the birth, what about the celebrating the birth anniversary of Zain Rangunwala, who's a Padma Shri and a donor? Raja Raza Ali Khan, he's a
और लोग
donor.
मिलके मनाएं।
Shankar Dayal Sharma, he's a donor.
No one is objecting
No, but
that.
why is the BJP picking on one person out of 970 and
Because he's
waking
a-
up after
he-
waking up after
he's a-
128 years?
He is a secular personality.
तो 128
He
साल
was
तक
representing that thing.
तो 100
if a Hindu
ये
Raja
कैसा argument है?
celebrated that Aligarh
You,
Muslim,
why are you? No, this
and
is
he
this
is
is
connected with that university.
I
He has
have
contribution in that university.
1 second.
How you can say that is a communal act?
Counters from
How you say the
counters from Sudhindra Bhadoria, yes, Bhadoria ji.
Put one thing on record.
Mr. Bansal, after Mr.
See,
Bhadoria.
let us look at this whole debate from the point of view that this symbolism which the BJP is trying to now adopt of celebration is having a political design in it. Raja Mahendra Pratap was a friend of Vladimir Lenin and Leon Trotsky. I do not know how much history they know about Raja Mahendra Pratap. He all his life fought for the freedom with a very radical perspective, number one. Number two, he was a great friend of the Muslim League leader Hafiz Muhammad Ibrahim, and whose photograph I have with me, and he's sitting with him over here. Next to him, who was also a minister later in the government in pre-independent days as well. I want to say that
is why
this
you're
kind of
celebrating his birthday.
symbolism
That's a good
through
person.
Aligarh
That's why you're
University,
celebrating his birthday.
they
What's
want
the
to
problem?
communalize the whole political situation. They do not share his vision.
I don't
They do
understand
not
the
agree to his
contradiction, Arnav.
tremendous
What is happening?
composite culture of India.
Look at the confusion.
Sambit, let him speak. Sambit, let him speak.
They are saying he is a
Sambit, let him speak. Let him speak, Sambit. Mr. Bansal, let them speak. They are making introductory comments. Let them speak. 1 second. Sudhindra Bhadoria, continue.
How?
See, they are trying to communalize the whole political situation in UP and Aligarh Muslim University. Why have they chosen that? Because Aligarh will symbolize that there is a conflict, so Hindu-Muslim divide should take place. If they ever had any love or faith, you don't share his vision, you don't share his understanding, you don't share his
trying
conviction.
to
Why
share.
do you want to celebrate? Just
And
in
you are
order
opposing
to
that.
have a communal divide over there.
They are trying to celebrate.
It is simply.
Why you are opposing then?
Is it simply a case? 1 second. Is it simply a case of superficially looking at the whole issue? Sambit, listen. Sambit, listen, please. Listen. Sambit, see, people of this country are wise. People will look through this. 1 second.
Confused.
Just a minute.
Confused people.
You listen to me. Who's confused?
What
Listen
are
to
they
me.
saying?
Nobody is
They are
confused.
saying he is a good man.
1 minute.
He is a secular
Just
man.
a minute,
And then they are
sir.
saying that his birthday should not be
Miss-
celebrated.
nobody is
You are
celebrating
talking
the whole
about
thing,
his
in
birthday
fact.
celebrated.
You are
Do
putting
you
the-
mean to
you are
say-
putting the country
do you
onto
mean
this
to say
communal
that in
era.
Aligarh
You want to
Muslim
divide
University,
this country
if I
on
want to
Hindu-Muslim lying. My, one
this
second.
country.
One
What do
second.
you mean to say?
You are the only person who is wise.
One second, I am letting Syed
No,
Asim
no,
Wakar,
no,
Syed
no,
Asim
no,
Wakar,
no,
everybody must speak. Syed Asim Wakar of the Samajwadi Party first, and then Prakash Sharma. Wakar ji, आपका क्या ख्याल है? Wakar ji.
मैं अर्णव जी आपके चैनल पर इस वक्त संबित पात्रा जी को एक चैलेंज करना चाहता हूं।
करिए।
उनको चाहिए मेरा चैलेंज एक्सेप्ट करें और मेरी बातों का जवाब दें और मेरी बात ध्यान से सुनेंगे। जिन राजा साहब का जन्म मनाने के लिए प्रताप सिंह जी, महेंद्र प्रताप सिंह जी की आज बात कर रहे हैं, 1886 से लेकर और 1979 के बीच में इनका ये जिंदगी का सफर रहा। मुझे एक भी सबूत ये दे दें कि कभी उन्होंने भारतीय जनता पार्टी जनसंघ ज्वाइन की हो या आरएसएस ज्वाइन की हो या हिंदू महासभा ज्वाइन की हो या अभिनव भारत ज्वाइन की हो। बात नंबर 2, संबित पात्रा जी 1957 से 1962 तक वो लोकसभा के सदस्य रहे, निर्दल रहे। वो कभी भारतीय जनता पार्टी की जैसी सोच है, जनसंघ की सोच है, उसके साथ कभी वो नहीं गए। तीसरी बात, मुझे आज तक कभी एक ऐसा वक्त बताइए जहां भारतीय जनता पार्टी या जनसंघ या आरएसएस ने कभी राजा महेंद्र प्रताप सिंह जी की बर्थडे के लिए एक छोटी सी मोमबत्ती भी जलाई हो। बात नंबर 3, राजा साहब ने एक स्कूल खोला था 24 मई 1909 को वृंदावन में। उनके पौत्र यहां बैठे हैं, वो इसको क्लियर करेंगे
जी।
प्रेम महाविद्यालय के नाम से वृंदावन में एक स्कूल खोला था
जी।
आप वहां पर जाकर क्यों नहीं करते जन्मदिन? तीसरी बात,
वही बात तो पूछ रहे हैं चरण जी तो वही बात पूछ
भारतीय
रहे हैं।
जनता पार्टी की नहीं है।
नहीं, वही बात पूछ रहे हैं। एक मिनट,
पहले बात पूरी सुनिएगा।
आप अभी you the family itself is saying don't do this.
नहीं।
I mean, what do you?
भारतीय जनता पार्टी but we celebrated the birthday of Nehru. Sardar Vallabhbhai Patel was not in Bharatiya Janata Party. But we celebrated his birthday. What is the problem? Why such puerile responses from the political parties today? ये बचकानी बातें आप क्यों कर रहे हैं? ये बचकानी बातें क्यों कर रहे हैं? अलीगढ़ मुस्लिम यूनिवर्सिटी में किसी का बर्थडे मना लिया गया ऐसे आदमी का, तो इसमें क्या बुरा है? वो वृंदावन में क्यों होना चाहिए? ऐसा क्या है?
कहने की बात कीजिए।
इसमें बेशर्मी क्या है? आमाद देखती है आप। इसमें बेशर्मी क्या है?
मैं कह रहा हूं आज
टेल मी
मैं कह रहा हूं आज
एक मिनट, फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल एक मिनट, दोनों एक साथ नहीं बोलेंगे। एक मिनट, दोनों एक साथ नहीं बोले। 10 सेकंड, नो 1 सेकंड, दोनों एक साथ नहीं बोले। संबित पात्रा बोले पहले, 10 सेकंड में खत्म कीजिए। Complete your point. Sambit, complete your point quickly. You can't go on and on. Sambit, complete your point.
Just tell me one thing or not. Just tell me one thing or not. Is it that in Aligarh Muslim University you cannot celebrate the birthday of a particular good person?
Arey, for God's sake, there is something called the rule of law in this country. Yeah?
He belongs
First
to
of
a
all,
particular community.
First of 1 minute. No, don't communalize it. Don't do this.
This is what actually.
Don't do this. You cannot take one person. You know the only no Sambit. I'm telling you no Sambit. No 1 minute. I now need to go to the others. My problem with this kind of mindset is my problem. Sambit, listen to me.
Different from Aligarh Muslim
Are you good?
University.
Have you finished? Have you finished now? Can I say something? My problem today.
I am not finished. I am pained. I am pained.
Oh God, can you stop this drama? Can we talk? Can we debate the issue? Don't do drama on the program.
Our so-called secularism is such a fragile thing that by celebrating a birthday in Aligarh Muslim University, the secularism of this country.
Now, have you finished? I'll make one point to you, please, Sambit Patra. Now listen to me. You made the point now.
They shout at the top.
My point is, Sambit, please stop now. Please stop now, please. Please stop now. You can't dominate the entire debate. My question tonight is this: what is the identity of people in this country?
Idea is dominating
1 minute.
the entire debate.
Just 1 minute.
Idea is dominating the entire
1 second, please, Sambit Patra. Please stop, please. Let's have another point of view also. My question tonight is, I welcome Maulana Maqsood Ullah Sir Kazmi and Prakash Sharma. My point is, in India, there is rich and poor. There are disadvantaged and advantaged. There are employed and unemployed. There are people who are victims and people who create victims. The only identity of every Indian, present and the past, cannot be whether he is Hindu or Muslim. And today you can't take out one person, 1 minute please, 1 minute, Raja Mahendra Pratap, and say, you know what, he is an Hindu icon and we are wanting to celebrate one Hindu person and that's why you are stopping us, which means you are anti-Hindu. This is creating a wrong mindset, and this has already been defeated once. People in this country don't need an open attempt to communalize. This is an open attempt to communalize. It is a desperate attempt to communalize. You somehow communalize and wait for what happens. This is not required. And by the way, as far as the law is concerned, the Aligarh Muslim University is not a public property. It is a central institution governed by the Aligarh Muslim University Act of 1920 and the Aligarh Muslim University Amendment Act of 1981. You can't just barge in and hold a protest on a piece of land that doesn't belong to you. You should know the law. Maulana, I know you want to come in, but the Vice Chancellor of the university, as per the Act, has the executive authority over the affairs of the university. You will be defying law and an Act of Parliament by going ahead with something like this.
No one is doing that. Why are
You don't care now?
No one is defying the law.
You tried to create the situation. Now you're backing off. Maulana Maqsood ul Hasan Kazmi.
In fact, first the permission.
Maulana Maqsood ul Hasan Kazmi. Sambit, please let others speak. Maulana Kazmi.
Arnab ji, this is matter of great pleasure that you come heavily on communalism of both sides irrespective of religion and Christian creed. About Raja Mahendra Singh. Raja Mahendra Singh was elected the president of exiled Indian government in Kabul, and Maulana Mahmudul Hasan Deobandi from Deoband had proposed his name for the president of India in exiled government. My point is that Raja Mahendra Singh is the hero and pride of entire nation, but not RSS and BJP's people. They are patriotism.
बोलने दीजिए प्रकाश जी, उसके बाद प्रकाश जी.
Yes, their patriotism in question.
So we are not
that
opposed.
point
We are
of
not
time
opposed. Let him
when
speak
our
now.
Indians heroes were fighting
listen, Sambit.
for our country's freedom, not a single person from RSS came forward to fight for our country freedom. They were not there. And BJP is respected Atal Bihari Vajpayee. That point of time apologized to Britishers. The point is that RSS today is going through a crisis. They don't have any hero who fought for the country's freedom. They don't have any single person, not a single person. I challenge you, Mr. Sambit Patra. Can you name any RSS person who took part in India's freedom struggle?
Dividing this country.
My brother, Sambit Patra, I challenge you. I bet entire Sangh Parivar. Can you name anybody from Sangh Parivar who fought for India's freedom? I challenge it. Can you name anybody? Can you deny the front lines article in 1992 Prime Minister Atal Bihari that point of time had apologized to the British, to the colonizer. Can you refute it?
Sonia Gandhi was fighting in Uttar Pradesh for freedom of this country. Please don't all these don't peddle.
I am not talking about Sonia Gandhi. I am not talking about Sonia Gandhi. You have Mr. Sambit Patra.
Together in Aligarh Muslim University.
You have central government. You have your own government in center. You can go center. You can ask.
You see, gentlemen, I have one point to make. One second. Maulana Kazmi, आपने अपना point रखा. मेरी बात सुनिए. I want to say something, one small point. You see, in this country, you now say which political party owns the legacy of which freedom fighter. Now it comes to which freedom fighter or which person of that time was a Hindu or a Muslim, who is a Hindu icon and a Muslim icon. I think we denigrate the whole memory of people who have been part of the freedom struggle in this country. And you know, Maulana, this country is so great. And I think some people, Mahendra Pratap Singh made a donation to Aligarh Muslim University. But you also forget that the Nawab of Rampur also made a donation which is massive at that time for the Banaras Hindu University.
And
this,
Nizam-
this,
Nawaz-
this, 1 minute.
Nizam
No,
Hyderabad
no, don't do this. Don't do this.
Nizam Hyderabad also
I am saying, I am saying today, is it a fact or not that the Nawab of Rampur made a big donation to Banaras Hindu University, just like Mahendra Pratap Singh made a big donation to the Aligarh Muslim University. This tells you that this politics is not needed, and it is an unfortunate thing in this country. It is terribly unfortunate in this country. We'll stop at nothing to communalize the situation. Lakshmikant Bajpayee ko ye pata nahi hoga.
Terribly shocked. How come you all are trying to divide this country? Hindu, Muslim,
Mr. Sambit Patra, answer on fact, not on rhetoric. Prakash Sharma.
What are you all doing?
Prakash Sharma wants to make a point. Prakash Sharma ji, please.
नहीं, मुझे ये समझ में नहीं आ रहा कि अलीगढ़ मुस्लिम यूनिवर्सिटी के लिए जमीन लेने में हिंदू से कोई आपत्ति नहीं है, लेकिन अगर हिंदू महाराजा का जन्मदिवस मनाया जा रहा है, उनकी जयंती मनाई जा रही है,
यही तो प्रॉब्लम है। हिंदू महाराजा,
अभी आपने प्रश्न खड़ा किया,
यही तो प्रॉब्लम है।
मेरी पूरी बात सुन लीजिए।
ये तो प्रॉब्लम है। हिंदू मुस्लिम
में महिषासुर दिवस मनाया गया, तब आपको कोई आपत्ति नहीं थी।
प्रकाश शर्मा जी, मैं आपको प्रकाश शर्मा जी बस प्रकाश शर्मा जी, you have to प्रकाश शर्मा जी मेरी बात सुनिए।
मैं बोलता
हर एक व्यक्ति को
बोलता हूं तो आप बस कर
मैं कह रहा हूं, जरूर कहूंगा प्रकाश शर्मा जी, जरूर कहूंगा।
नहीं, क्यों कहेंगे?
जरूर कहूंगा,
हमारी बात
जरूर कहूंगा,
क्योंकि
क्योंकि आपसे एक बात पूछूंगा जिसका आपसे सवाल चाहिए। 128 सालों के लिए, जब से वो उनकी जन्म हुई और पिछले 38 सालों से जब इनकी मृत्यु हुई, तब तक कहां थे आप? जवाब दीजिए मुझे, कहां थे आप?
सालों से सुभाष चंद्र बोस की
आप कहां थे? आप
नहीं मनाई जा रही
आप कहां थे? आप देश को मत तोड़िए, देश को हिंदू मुस्लिम हर चीज को मत कीजिए।
रोकने वाले आप कैसे रोक सकते हैं? या
मैं तो आपको जरूर पूछ सकता हूं, क्योंकि उनके फैमिली के लोग खुद, आप हर एक चीज को, मैं पूछ रहा हूं चरत प्रताप सिंह जी से, मैं चरत प्रताप सिंह जी से एक सवाल पूछूंगा, क्योंकि वो उनके अपने फैमिली के ग्रेट ग्रैंडसन है। सुनिए प्रकाश शर्मा जी, जरूर आप ये बात को मानेंगे कि उनके जो फैमिली के खुद के मेंबर है, उनकी भी राय की कोई तो इधर आदर होगा। देयर विल बी सम रिस्पेक्ट to the point of view of the own members of his family. Now I am asking Charat Pratap Singh. Charat Pratap Singh, my question to you is, Charat Pratap Singh, my question to you is, Charat Pratap Singh, my question to you is, सुन लीजिए। Okay, Prakash ji, I'll reduce your volume otherwise. I'm asking Charat Pratap Singh. Charat Pratap Singh, today, now please stop. Please stop. Please stop. No, I will not. No, I'll take you. Now please. No, please will you adjust that? 1 second. My question is to Charat Pratap Singh. Now Mr. Prakash Sharma, don't go on and on, please. can we have someone else on the screen, please?
ये कौन सी बात है?
मैं तो सीधी तौर से आपसे पूछ रहा हूं कि पिछले 128 साल से कहां थे आप? Simple question. My question is Charat Pratap Singh. Now I come back to you. What is apparent to me is use the name of Raja Mahendra Pratap Singh politically. Use the name of Raja Mahendra Pratap Singh to divide. Don't take into account the wishes of the family or anything, but if you find an opportunity to say, Hindu person being denied, we want to celebrate a Hindu person inside the Aligarh Muslim University, great opportunity. Who asked you all this? I am asking you, Charat Pratap Singh, who came to you and asked you for your point of view, your family's point of view in all of this? Who asked you?
I didn't understand the question.
My question is, who has ever come and asked you, do you want this to happen? Do you want your great grandfather's birthday to be celebrated in this manner? Who asked you?
Sir. No ways. No, we don't want it to be celebrated this way in a controversy. And I just want to add one very important point, that we cannot point fingers at the Bharatiya Janata Party. I want to add something very, very important. We've had two freedom fighters in our family. One is my great grandfather, that is Raja Mahendra Pratap Singh ji, and you know his life story now. But his grandfather in 1818 also was one of the only kings who revolted against the Britishers during the 1818. There was a 2 years war, and we lost the fort in 1818. That was our private fort, our residence, to the Britishers. After that, in 1947, when India became free, why was that fort not? I think we have a fundamental or our right to get our private, residence back, which belongs to the family. Why has I'm raising this question to the other political parties, why they haven't, taken care of this part?
Now Charat Pratap Singh today, I'm sorry to have, Charat Pratap Singh today,
Yeah.
this is not about forts or palaces or private property.
No, it's not about
Discussion,
force.
no, let's not bring it
about
into
our rights.
private property.
It's about our rights,
That's not
because
what,
people are
that's
talking
not the
about our
issue
rights.
here. The issue here is very simple, that it is a
Yeah.
political and an attempt to being made to create a clear communal
No,
conflagration.
my point is, where were our, by the other parties, why did not they raise the issue earlier?
It's obvious, it should be obvious to you, Charat, your great grandfather's name is being used for political reasons.
Why
I don't know
why
it's not
are
obvious.
great grandfathers' legacies so hidden? Well, unlike others, they are all celebrated or known. But why is our great grandfather's
Exactly.
legacy hidden? That's my question.
Ask the question, Charat. Ask the question to all those people who suddenly have remembered Raja Mahendra Pratap Singh to create this crisis at the Aligarh Muslim University. Ask that question to them. Where were they?
I say to them, better late. I say to BJP, better late than never. At least someone has woken up. But yes, again I add one point, that they should not celebrate the birthday in a place which is not appreciated by others. That's all.
Okay, couple of people want to come back into the debate. I saw Kamal Farooqi's hand go up there. Maulana Maqsood Ul Hasan Kazmi. Vivek Bansal first. Vivek Bansal. Vivek Bansal, one at a time. Vivek Bansal.
My submission is, why in a democracy we cannot hoist our wishes on someone, and this is at the point of pistol. Definitely we had been celebrating Raja Mahendra Pratap's birthday over there in Aligarh. People of Aligarh are a witness to it, and my just point of view that Raja Mahendra Pratap, the Aligarh University Mahmood Anglo Oriental College, came into existence in 1878. Raja Mahendra Pratap was born in 1876, and the donation is again a disputed, that can be
86.
debated. But my point of view is, at the point of gun, you cannot force anybody. The next day I would ask that why Bharatiya Janata Party people, I would go to their office, that why aren't you celebrating the birth anniversary of late Rajiv Gandhi, birth anniversary of late Indira Gandhi? In democracy, people do things of their own volition. You don't have to disturb the academic atmosphere, because they are the modern temples and mosques and gurdwaras and churches of this 21st century.
Now I need to now present a few facts.
The future of the students of this country.
I will now argue this factually. I've heard the political arguments. I will now argue this factually. Kamal Farooqi, I'm coming to you. I'm going to argue this factually, and I'm going to reveal how there was this plot to communalize the situation. 1 minute, Sambit Patra. Point 1. Sambit Patra, pay attention to these facts. Point 1. The Vice Chancellor had a meeting with those planning the celebrations as well as those opposing them at his residence on 25th November. He gave a hearing to one side, he gave a hearing to the other side. Okay? The people who attended the meeting arrived at an agreement wherein the celebration was allowed to be held on a piece of land that had been leased by the Maharaja. Okay? So the wish to have the celebration, Sambit Patra, was granted, but still the BJP was not satisfied. After that, what did the BJP do? These BJP leaders then changed their position. Prem Shukla ji, देखिए अभी कैसे इसको expose किया जाता है. सुनिए. After that, the BJP leaders went back and they changed their position. Now they came back and they said, no, this meeting and celebration should be held on AMU property, Aligarh Muslim University property, and as per the Vice Chancellor's letter, they wanted to be inside the Aligarh Muslim University City High School, which despite being from a few kilometers from the AMU campus, is still AMU property that includes students. Now he said, no, we don't want this. We want a separate ground. We didn't want this separate ground allotted. We want it in another situation. Listen to this, Sambit Patra, how it gets revealed. The fact of the matter is that the Tikonia ground is also AMU property. So the Vice Chancellor had agreed, have the celebration on the Tikonia ground, which is AMU property, as per a Supreme Court judgment of 2003. The BJP said, no, it's not good enough. And then they started politicizing it. So Sambit, look at this, look at what you're arguing, so shallow your position is. They were allotted the Tikonia ground, then they said, no, we want to hold it somewhere else. Lakshmikant Bajpai then said, aisa nahi hoga. He said, the day is not far, we will storm into the AMU campus and hold the celebrations inside the AMU campus. So you want to take this communal politics inside the AMU central campus despite alternative arrangements having been made?
Or now we are reading too much into all this.
I am not, I am presenting
Or we are
facts to
reading too much into all
you.
this.
This is the fact. And 1 minute, I have not completed. I have not completed, please.
Let's not be very puerile in this.
No, facts are not puerile. You're being puerile in not responding to them.
No, they are puerile.
These are
Also, we
facts.
Debating a topic.
These are facts.
Because I feel.
Are these facts
as a young
not relevant?
man Of 21st century.
Kamal Farooqui, are these facts? What do the facts reveal? That there was a conspiracy to try and escalate the situation. Lakshmikant Vajpayee wanted to escalate the situation. I've just revealed it. Don't call this a puerile argument.
Arnab,
Kamal Farooqui.
Arnab,
What he said
Arnab,
Kamal Farooqui.
Arnab,
Kamal Farooqui, one at a time, Kamal Farooqui.
I want to add one more fact. I want to add one more fact. In the beginning itself, you said the honorable HRD minister said that she did not receive the message. I am being informed officially by the university officials that the email was sent at 8 p.m. last night. We have been hearing all this since morning. Why she is not taking any action?
She says I didn't get the email till 12 o'clock.
What ideology? Listen. You must answer this question because you are allowing, and this is the same way which was done in Muradabad. This is the same way which was done in Muzaffarnagar. Why they are trying to make Aligarh as the another vice? Why are you not responding to this?
Why are you not responding to this? I challenge you.
Kamal Sahab,
How you can spy into the ministry? How are you spying into the ministry? Mr. Farooqui, who gave you the permission to spy into the ministry? Why were you prying into the private property of ministry? This is absolutely unconstitutional. Mr. Farooqui trying to do inside the ministry
Your minister has said
unconstitutional.
Your minister has said.
How come Mr. Farooqui knows what is
Your
happening
minister has
inside
said
the
that she has not
ministry?
received it by 9 p.m.
What do you, how?
So she will receive and she'll give a structured reply. Why are you so worried? The minister will receive the letter and the minister will give a structured reply. Why are you so worried? Why are you in a hurry?
Okay, so the question is this. One second, please. 1 second. Question from me. Listen to me. Can the minister, now listen to me, Sambit, please listen. Can the minister say, in our country, students come to universities to study. Campuses are meant for education. Campuses are not meant as hotbeds to create communal conflict. And therefore, Mr. Lakshmikant Vajpayee, can Smriti Irani say, Lakshmikant Vajpayee और योगी आदित्यनाथ जी अपनी जो उत्तर प्रदेश की पॉलिटिक्स है उसको जरा ये यूनिवर्सिटी कैंपस से बाहर ले जाइए. Can Smriti Irani say that?
इसमें कम्युनल कॉन्फ्लिक्ट का
No, tell me Arnab, how is celebrating a birthday equivalent to?
But I just told you, I gave you the facts, it was allowed, and I told you how it was, an attempt was made
No.
to.
You are celebrating the birthday of.
I showed to you how an attempt was made to incite more trouble.
You say that celebrating this birthday will criminalize. I don't.
No, you are not listening to me. Listen to me. You are trying to create trouble. No, one second. I'm now repeating myself. Sambit Patra is going on and on. Before I come to the next person.
No, I am not going on and on.
अर्नव मैं कुछ यहाँ पे कहना चाहता हूँ. अर्नव क्या करेंगे अब आप देश में क्या कराना चाहते हैं?
मैं आप सुनिए, आप क्या कराना चाहते हैं प्रकाश शर्मा जी? आप क्या कराना चाहते हैं?
नहीं, हम कुछ नहीं, हम ये चाहते हैं.
आप क्या चाहते हैं?
सद्भाव बना रहे हैं.
लोग ये सद्भाव बढ़ता है, इस तरह से सद्भाव बढ़ता है लोगों में. मैं पूछ रहा हूँ इस देश में 301 मिनट, एक सुनिए मेरी बात, प्लीज 1 मिनट सुनिए. मैं आपसे एक बात कह रहा हूँ. प्रकाश शर्मा, now I want to say one thing. Please, Prakash Sharma, one second. I just want to make one point. I'm telling you, I have a bad throat today. Bear with me. My question is 3,000. अरे सुनिए प्लीज, आप ये प्रॉब्लम आपकी बात है कि आप सुनते नहीं है प्रकाश जी. आप ऐसे युकान को, आप मेरी बात तो सुनिए. एक दूसरी आर्गुमेंट सुनिए. लोग हैं इधर जो आज कहते हैं, मेरी बात सुनिए, हमें नौकरी चाहिए, हमें गरीब नहीं रहना है, हमें सड़क चाहिए, हमें आमदनी के उपाय चाहिए, हमको देश को आगे लेके जाना है। और इस देश में आज भी 3,630 लाख लोग ऐसे हैं, 3,630 लाख लोग ऐसे हैं जो आज भी गरीबी रेखा के नीचे है। 3,630 lakh people who are below the poverty line. Now, tell me, my question is, how do these people benefit? Tell me, how do these people benefit? How do these people benefit if there's a communal tension?
दिवस मनाया गया था।
अरे please, don't go on. You just want this Hindu-Muslim divide and all that. You know, Sudhindra Bhadoria, please, Sudhindra Bhadoria, हमारी चैनल सब कुछ कवर करती है, आपसे सीखने की जरूरत नहीं है। 1 minute, Sudhindra Bhadoria.
नहीं, उस समय आपकी पत्रकारिता कहाँ थी?
अरे प्लीज
गोस्वामी, let me tell you,
सुन लीजिए प्लीज, प्रकाश जी सुन लीजिए, अभी सुधींद्र भदौरिया बोल रहे हैं।
तब आप कहाँ थे?
when he got elected, 1 second please, Raja Mahendra Pratap was one of the greatest sons this country ever produced. He used to live in 105 South Avenue. Every day he had prayers there, Bible, Quran, Guru Granth Sahib, Gita, every day recitals took place over there. You are trying to project him as a Hindu Raja. He was not a Hindu Raja. He was a great freedom fighter and he belonged to all religious communities and he had a larger family and
tomorrow,
all Indians were part of his family.
1 minute, I ask one more question today. I want to ask one more question. One of the greatest ever Indians, Shahid Bhagat Singh. 1 minute, listen to me please. Shahid Bhagat Singh, like Raja Mahendra Singh, influenced by leftist ideologies, gave up his life for the country when he was in his early 20s. Tomorrow will you say Shahid Bhagat Singh was a Hindu icon? Answer me.
But who is saying?
No, this is what the problem. Everybody is not a Hindu or a Muslim. There is an Indian identity in this country. You can't do this. Was Shahid Bhagat Singh? Shahid Bhagat Singh is an Indian icon.
You are.
Raja Mahendra Singh is therefore an Indian icon. He's an Indian icon. He's not a Hindu or a Muslim icon.
It is blasphemous. It is blasphemous when people like all in the panel today are trying to portray him as a Hindu Raja. Who is saying that he's a Hindu Raja? We are saying that
you are trying to portray him as a Hindu Raja. You are trying to.
As a freedom fighter, he should be respected. But you are saying that freedom fighters' birth anniversary should not be commemorated.
I am saying celebrated, but don't give it a political spin. For God's sake, rise above politics. राजनीति से ऊपर बढ़कर भी देश के बारे में सोचिए। विवेक बंसल.
That you tell Vivek Bansal.
My point of view is you are just constantly talking about.
You don't have a point of view. You have a wrong point of view, Mr. Bansal.
I am not going to be guided by you that my point of view is wrong or right. But let me tell you, gentlemen, let me tell you, please listen to me.
Rise above petty politics.
He is not letting me. Don't try to derail the agenda of Mr. Narendra Modi.
We will not let you
what he said on the 15th of August, he is talking about inclusive politics. But you are trying to create a communal divide in this country. You are trying to do things in a fascist manner. In a fascist manner, you are trying to hoist your wishes on educational institutions. Don't try to saffronize education. Don't try to saffronize education. Don't try to saffronize history like the way you have appointed director of ICHR, Bhaskar Rao, who tries to justify history in the light of Mahabharata. So please, for
secular person. Celebrating
you should celebrate. You should celebrate, but you cannot. But you cannot at the point of
my question is broader. My question is broader. Gentlemen, just step back 2 minutes from this debate. Sambit, just step back. Step back, Jambit. Sambit, step back. Sambit, a minute, please. Sambit, a minute, please. A minute, please. Just 1 minute, please, Sambit. Just 1 minute. Listen, Mr. Patra. Listen, Mr. Patra. Okay, listen now, please. I am asking a broader question. Just step back for 2 minutes. Step back for 2 minutes. And say that today in the campus of Aligarh Muslim University and Banaras Hindu University and Delhi University and Calcutta University and every university in the country, there is a generation of Indians who is getting educated. This is the next generation. And don't forget, Sambit, that your generation and my generation was scarred because campuses were divided first on the basis of caste and then on the basis of religion. We don't forget what the impact of Mandal and Babri Masjid was for your generation and my generation. I am asking a basic question tonight. You may be a BJP supporter, Congress supporter, leftist. My question is very simple. You want this generation also to be scarred all over again? And if this generation is scarred all over again, I am asking you, who is going to benefit? 1.3 million children in this country die of malnutrition. Are they more important, or is the communal crisis more important? More than 360 million Indians are under the poverty line. Are they more important, or is the communal crisis more important? Why don't you stop these Lakshmikant Bajpayee type of people? Stop them. Stop all people who want to communalize the situation today. Whether it is people like Shahi Imam on the one side or Lakshmikant Bajpayee on the other. Don't allow anyone.
You have bared your emotions.
Don't allow anyone.
Also to bear my emotions.
Don't make light of what I said, Sambit Patra. Don't make light of what I said. Don't make light of what I said. I made a very serious observation. I'm sure viewers understand what I'm saying.
I respect your sentiments, but you have to allow me to complete my portion also. Allow me to complete my portion. I just say one thing today, Arnab. In this 21st century, how is it
you have come in your true colors.
Birthday can scar the secular fabric of this country? Are we not demeaning?
I'll remember one thing. Remember one thing. Remember one thing. Remember one thing. Don't make. No, 1 second. 1 minute.
The birthday of a king who is supposedly Hindu.
Oh God! Hindu. That's all you want.
No, how is it? Everyone.
I'm asking you, Shahid Bhagat Singh was an Indian, not a Hindu or a Muslim, first an Indian.
Everyone says that he has contributed to the society.
Yeah, so where were you for 128 years, Mr. Patra? What were you doing? You were Rip and Winkle. For 120 years या कहाँ थे 128 साल से? अभी जो याद आ गई आपको उत्तर प्रदेश के इलेक्शन के पहले? You want to use these people for the UP elections?
We were not there in BJP was formed.
Really, BJP was not there.
1980.
BJP was not there. You're saying BJP was not there for the last 30 years?
128 years ago, BJP was not there.
Jansangh was not there for the last
128 years
over 50 years.
Get your history right. All the panelists should get their history right.
Comments, counter questions.
128 years ago.
Counter questions. Maulana Kazmi, Delhi studio, please. Delhi studio. Maulana Kazmi.
Arnab ji, you raised very important point of our country's poverty, and so many people are dying, starving. My question to Prime Minister, and I would appeal, I would like to ask Mr.
People are dying, starving. That is why we have Mr. Modi as the Prime Minister.
But you are doing nothing. You are doing nothing.
On Mr. Modi.
Your government's words
that does not
are
mean we should not commemorate the birth anniversary of Mahatma Gandhi. That does not mean we should not remember.
Where is black money?
That does not mean that
where is black money?
We should not.
Where is black money?
Mukherjee.
Where is black money?
Great people.
The Indian people. Indian people problem are as it is used to be.
Vivekanand, 1 minute, no, 1 second, Swami Vivekanand was the first an Indian. Shahid Bhagat Singh was first an Indian. Raja Mahendra Pratap was first an Indian. Mahatma Gandhi was first an Indian. Netaji Subhash Chandra Bose was first an Indian. Don't do this politics and communal game on everything. Now, 1 second.
But some people from
okay, now please, gentlemen, please listen to me. 2 minutes into the debate. 2 minutes into the debate. 2 minutes into the debate. Prem Shukla coming back to the debate, and I want to go to Syed Asim Wakar.
I will like to appeal Narendra Modi ji to warn such elements because they are defaming.
Okay.
Defaming.
Syed Asim Wakar.
Him and his government.
Wakar जी, आपकी सरकार कहाँ है इस सबके बीच में? आपकी सरकार तो you seem to be.
बहुत देर से कुछ कहने की कोशिश कर रहा था, लेकिन मुझे मौका नहीं मिला. देखिए, ये जो हरकतें हो रही हैं, मुझे लगता है, मुझे यकीन है कि इनके प्रधानमंत्री और इनके राष्ट्रीय अध्यक्ष की मंशा इसमें शामिल है. ये उत्तर प्रदेश में सांप्रदायिक तनाव बनाना चाहते हैं. दूसरी बात, अभी जो आपने शुरू में चलाया था, इनके एक योगी आदित्यनाथ नाम के सांसद हैं, उनकी जानकारी बढ़वा दीजिए. उन्होंने स्टेटमेंट दिया था कि अगर राजा साहब जमीन न देते तो अलीगढ़ मुस्लिम यूनिवर्सिटी बन ही ना पाती. 1877 में इसकी बुनियाद पड़ी थी एक स्कूल के तौर पर मोहम्मदन एंग्लो कॉलेज के नाम से इसको जाना जाता है, मोहम्मदन एंग्लो ओरिएंटल कॉलेज के नाम से। और 1920 में ये यूनिवर्सिटी बनी है, जिसमें 467.6 हेक्टेयर जमीन है, जिसमें 1 कुछ एकड़ जमीन राजा साहब ने दी है। मैं इस बात का एतराज करता हूं कि इनके सांसदों को न तो इतिहास की जानकारी है, न भूगोल की जानकारी है, और ये सिर्फ और सिर्फ लाशों की राजनीति करना चाहते हैं। ये अपनी रिसर्च में बात आ जाए।
प्रेम शुक्ला क्लोजिंग इन 1 मिनट। प्रेम शुक्ला कुछ कहना चाहते हैं आपको? प्रेम शुक्ला जी प्लीज कहिए।
ये देखिए, एक बहुत सीधी सी बात है। आप कह रहे हैं कि एक सेकुलर व्यक्तित्व, राजा महेंद्र सिंह सेकुलर व्यक्तित्व हैं, जिनको आप कमजोर होने का चार्ज कर रहे हो सेकुलर प्रेमाइसिस में। अलीगढ़ मुस्लिम यूनिवर्सिटी सेकुलर प्रेमाइस है, वहां पर एक सेकुलर व्यक्ति के बारे में अभी मान लीजिए आज ज्ञान हो गया कि महान व्यक्ति थे और मैं सेलिब्रेट करना चाहूं, तो आपके सेकुलरिज्म की दुकान को खतरा कैसे हो जाता है? आपने पेटेंट करा रखा है क्या? कांग्रेस को खतरा, बसपा को खतरा, सपा को खतरा क्यों हो जाता है? ये सबसे बड़ी सांप्रदायिकता है।
इसकी जरूरत नहीं है। मैं सिर्फ एक बात कहूंगा, देश में बहुत चीजों की जरूरत है, इसकी जरूरत नहीं है। देश में बहुत जरूरत है। देयर आर 12.66 मिलियन चिल्ड्रन हु आर चाइल्ड लेबरर्स। आई थिंक इफ लक्ष्मीकांत वाजपेयी अगर कहते today if Lakshmikant Vajpayee would have said I will save children from child labor, more people would support him than if he were to say I will communalize the situation. This question goes to all of you tonight. Does India need any communal crisis? This question goes to you tonight. Do you want a communal crisis to happen in this country? And this question goes to you tonight. If you fear that some politicians in this country are trying to create an artificial communal crisis, what are you doing against it? How are you raising your voice? I thank everyone for joining me on debate number 1 on the News Hour tonight.